Welcome to our complete guide on Grok 3 Unhinged mode. Today, we'll dive deep into what makes this mode unique and powerful. Unhinged mode introduces revolutionary features that set it apart from traditional modes. Let's explore these key features. Getting started with Grok 3 is easy. We'll walk you through the installation and setup process. Here's a walkthrough of the user interface. I'll show you how to navigate successfully through Unhinged mode. Now, let's leverage the unique tools and features offered in Unhinged mode to maximize your productivity. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are some common challenges you might face and tips to solve them. To get the most out of Grok 3, follow these best practices to maximize your efficiency while using Unhinged mode. Grok 3 Unhinged mode has wide-ranging applications. Let's look at some real-world use cases to inspire your usage. Looking ahead, there are exciting developments coming to Grok 3. Here's what you can expect in future updates. To wrap up, we've covered essential aspects of Grok 3 Unhinged mode. Remember, exploring this mode can vastly improve your workflow.